Hello guys, that's my first I've been looking for the next buy, but I think this mining app Rubi Network is going to deliver more than pi. So stay with me as I show you how to take part in this Rubi mining and get as much tokens as possible. So we'll be going over to the X page. I'm Crypto Insider and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. You can get much videos from me. And if you've been watching my videos, thank you, and I'm back fully now to post videos every day. This page is dedicated to giving any news about Rubi. You can see it says Rubi at TG cannot exceed 20 million in circulation because the tokens are not so much. You can see my good amount of Rubi if you're determined. Rubi can't list below $2 gold. Cannot list below $2 gold. Rubi is still building but already so valuable. So this token is in its early stages, so it's be very important that we join and mine. They are still building. They've not done a lot of work yet. It's still very early, not much updates unlike pi, so I believe they're going to deliver. So let's return to the app and I'll be showing us how to take part in this airdrop. So this is already my account, but for the purpose of this tutorial on this guide, I'll be making a speed recording of how to register. So when you are done registering, it will bring you to this dashboard, and you can see over here my information, user verification, and account and security. Now, some persons when they mine pi had some challenges when trying to do their KYC. So I'll be letting us know how to take part so that you don't have such challenges. You can see, ensure that you fill your last name and first name over here is exactly as it is in your national identification card that you'll be using for the KYC. Ensure that you fill the correct date of birth. Ensure that your address is complete. Please take time to fill this, as you will not have another opportunity to get to fill this. So after this user information, next is the user verification. That's the eKYC. So the eKYC, you'll be invited much later. Let's see. These are the requirements for you to be invited to do your KYC. So the first requirement is that you should complete the owner information. I just showed us the owner information some minutes back. So ensure you complete the owner information over 30 days. Let's not exceed 30 days, and then exploit at least 30 Rubi. Mine at least 30 Rubi. It will take you up to 30 days or less than that to mine 30 rubies. If you have referrals, it will take you much time. Then when you've gotten these two requirements, you will receive an invite for you to be able to take part in the KYC, the first KYC. And that version of KYC 1.6 is loading, and we'll get to take part in that soon. I'll let us know whenever that comes out. This is the account security. I'll show you set up your security, set up your password. I encourage you to set up your two-factor authentication so that your account will not be hacked, and also sign in with the Touch ID. I'll be doing this two-factor authentication much later. I think that's it. So we'll go over to the mining section. In order for you to start mining, you just have to click this axe here. So click on the axe. So these are the available mines. Now, so there's something very important here. For you to mine to the point where you'll be eligible to get an invite for KYC, ensure that if you start using Fire, like I'm using Fire currently, ensure you use Fire for up to 30 days. if you're using Lagos or Meta or Water, Wood or Earth, just like the avatar, make sure you use one for at least 30 days. Don't use Fire and then the next day you go ahead to use Meta or Water. Try to use Fire consistently. That was it. So you can see over here, you can mine 0.7 Ruby per day. If you have referral, it will be much faster. So click this, and after every 24 hours you come and also click this. After that, you can come over to the wallet and create your wallet. You have the option to create two wallets. So after you create the wallet, save your seed phrase and your private key, download it, copy it to Google Keep and save it, because if you lose them, you lose access to this account. Then over here, you just see the white paper and all. So let's ensure to take part in this mining app, since it has loads and loads of potential. We're expecting it to list extremely very high, so be consistent and you will enjoy this airdrop. Now, you don't have to keep this on open for you to be mining. You can just click the mine button and allow it to mine for a while. And the Rubi team also announced that there is no percentage for their team, so they are also mining with us. Whatever they mine is what they get. The number of Rubi tokens available is not so much. Then over here, you can invite a friend. You can share your invite link and so on to invite more friends to join and take part in this mining. Having more friends to mine with you makes it faster for you to mine. I think that's everything. I'll be sharing a link with much more information on my Telegram page, so do well to click on my Telegram channel, my Telegram community, which will be in the description, to be part of my community. You can receive more updates about Rubi. Thank you for watching. So the link to this airdrop will be in my description, and also the referral code. Also my Telegram channel link also in my description. Do well to join, do well to subscribe, share this video to as much persons as possible. If you have any questions or concerns, or if you have issues mining, do well to let me know in the comment section. You can also drop your referral links in the comment section for others to get to click and join this airdrop. See you next time.